Hi, I'm George Cayley, and today I'm going to be showing you an Arduino sketch that I created that is able to copy itself over to other Arduino boards that it's connected to via serial.
This is the sketch called BlinkSync. What it does is it basically waits for a specified time sync wait and listens for any signals on the serial port, possibly coming in from another Arduino. If it receives some, then it puts it into slave mode and starts listening for LED signals over the serial port to blink the LED. Otherwise, if it doesn't receive anything, then it assumes that it is a master, and it puts it into master mode, flashing its LED and sending out serial signals every 500 milliseconds to another Arduino if one does connect. But what we want to do here is be able to upload it onto one Arduino and then have that Arduino copy it over to another Arduino, which can become the slave. So what I've done here is, up the top we've got a macro define copy. If that's commented out, it is going to compile a regular version of it without any of this copying stuff. So we'll just choose upload, which won't actually upload it because I've disconnected the Arduino, but it does compile it. So here we've got blinksync.cpp.hex, which is, if we just put this into text wrangler, it is, just close that, the actual hexadecimal code that gets uploaded to your Arduino. So what I'll do is I'll put it through this Python sketch that I've got here called embed Arduino. Just drag that into terminal. Have to use Python. And what it does, it generates the same hexadecimal code, but something that can be inserted straight into an Arduino sketch. So select that, and then we paste it into this Copier tab here, which is all of the copying code, it's an implementation of the STK500 protocol that the Arduino uses to upload sketches. So just paste that in there, and then set that there so that it will now compile a version that is capable of copying the original over to another Arduino, and set serial port and upload. Now just wait for it to upload, and that's done.
So now this Arduino has a version of the BlinkSync script which is able to copy itself over to another Arduino, like this one here, which currently has an empty sketch, but when I hold down this button, this Arduino will reset this one and download the BlinkSync sketch to it. Now that's finished. This one should start, and there we go. It has a copy of the script, and it realized that this one was sending out the synchronization signals, so it picked them up and put itself into slave mode, and there we have the two Arduinos blinking in synchronization, with this Arduino having the BlinkSync sketch that is able to copy over to other Arduinos, but this one having the copied program, which is just the BlinkSync script and cannot copy itself over. It's not exactly self-replication because I'm not sure of any way that you can read the actual, within the Arduino sketch, read the hex file that is stored on the ATmega328 chip. The programmer that I've implemented is pretty rough because it will only work on ATmega328s. It doesn't do any code verification, and in some cases it seems to send more bytes. It seems to write more bytes to the other chip's flash than it should. But you could use it to program whole batches of Arduinos in cases where it might be impractical to plug them all in via a computer, or you could program a copier Arduino like this and then take it out to a place where you might not be able to take a computer to program a remote Arduino. And that's it.